Consider solving a non-standard type of CAPTCHA, Lemin. On the demo page of the 2Captcha service, there are various types of CAPTCHAs, including the Lemin Captcha. This is how this CAPTCHA looks like, and it is not difficult to solve it if you are a human. This is a graphical view of CAPTCHA in the form of a puzzle. You just need to put the puzzle in the right place in the picture and click the check button. CAPTCHA solved. We have confirmed that we are human. How to automate this process? We will show. In the GitHub service at 2Captcha PHP, you will find a set of scripts for solving all types of CAPTCHAs using the API. The page also contains instructions for installing and configuring scripts, descriptions of parameter sets, and other necessary information for developers. We need to download all these files and folders as an archive. And for these scripts to work, you need to download and install the software package for deploying a local server. I did this ahead of time, and I won't be showing this simple process in this video. In the root folder on the local server, you will see all the folders and files downloaded from GitHub. Code examples for various types of CAPTCHA are located in the examples folder. There is also the lemin.php file you need. It will need to be modified. To do this, you need to specify the API key, which you can find on the main page of the 2Captcha service. Copy it and paste it. Also in this file, it is necessary to pass a constant CAPTCHA parameter, CAPTCHA ID, to the 2Captcha service. You must take this parameter from the page on which the CAPTCHA is located, in the HTML code of this page. You need to find a script that sends CAPTCHA data from the source site. Copy and paste this character set. Also, the file must contain the API server, api.leminnow.com, and the URL of the page on which the CAPTCHA is played. The file is now modified and ready to go. We run the lemin.php file in our local server. Solving the CAPTCHA will take a few seconds, while we will open the fields for entering the results of solving the CAPTCHA on the page where it is played. To do this, we remove the hidden values from the parameters of these fields. Lemin answer and Lemin challenge ID. Now we can see these fields on the page and we can add CAPTCHA results to them. Check if the CAPTCHA is solved. The solution is already there. Copy the first value and paste it into the bottom field. Copy the second value and paste it into the top box. We check the received data. CAPTCHA solved successfully.